Hi everyone, so on this episode I'm going to show you how to make French toast. Yes, I'm going to show you how to make French toast, and French toast is just bread dipped into other mixtures. So on this episode guys, I'm really grateful because you've shown support to my channel, and I'm really grateful for the love that you've shown me as a person on my YouTube channel. I don't take it for granted guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'm going to give you another recipe on how to make French toast. This is just for simple breakfast for the lovers of breakfast. Yes, I'm going to show you how to make this, what I've made here. And so guys, and to quick and not sharing you with words, I'm going to let you and show you the procedure and the ingredients that I'm going to use for this, so that people can enjoy their breakfast this beautiful morning. Please try this recipe out, try this ingredient out, and we'll all love it. So guys, let's go direct to the video of the day. So guys, let's go direct to the ingredients and yes, ingredients of this recipe. And I shall start with the main ingredient, which is the bread. Yes, we shall need some pieces of bread for our French toast. Sorry. Let me put it here. We shall also need a big bowl whereby I am able to dip my bread. Yes, so this is it. Then add to our other ingredients that we shall be using. I shall be using cinnamon, just small amount of cinnamon. I'll be using milk. Yes, I have a cup of, is it a glass of milk? Yes, of course. Shall need 2 eggs. Let me put them there. And also we shall need some sugar. Let me show you with the spoon. Yes. Ooh, yes, we shall need some sugar, and also we shall need a pinch of salt. And our last ingredient is this, my all-time love, yes, vanilla essence. So guys, let's go direct to the recipe, to the procedure of it all. Hope I've shown you cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon is part of the ingredients. So first I will start in my bowl. I will add some eggs. Yes, I'm adding some egg, the first egg. That's how I do it. I don't know how you do your eggs. Yes, this is it. So onto a mixture of eggs, I'll do this. And to it, I'm adding my glass of milk. Yes, added a glass of milk. The procedure still continues. And to it, I'm adding, this is 1 spoon of sugar. Yes, added sugar in it. And to that, I'm gonna add just a half spoon of cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. Okay. Cinnamon, the flavor in cinnamon is on another level. So guys, please go try this French toast recipe. It's the easiest recipe for breakfast. Yes, also for breakfast it is the sweetest. Sorry guys for that, my camera misbehaved. And then onto it, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. A pinch, I don't know. Let me not add so much. Yes, I just like a pinch of salt. Then onto it, I'm going to add a splash, just a small amount of this essence to make everything better and sweeter. Yes, then into it, I'm going to mix. So finally, this is how our mixture looks like. Yes. So the smell, the how the mixture smells. Wow, it's so sweet, so sweet. So guys, on to our next step. I'll put my pan. Yes, I'll put my pan on the cooker, and then of course I'll need cooking oil. Onto our pan. So guys, next thing, let me put the heat on. Yes, let me put the heat on. Yes, the heat is on, and then I'll wait for the pan to heat. Then I'm going to add our cooking oil, just a bit of our cooking oil. Then another thing here, guys, is onto your cooking oil, onto your pan, you can add cooking oil. Then if you have butter, you can add. And also if you are using, what is it, blue band, yes, if you use blue band, you can also add on top so that they can heat all together before you add your bread and everything. So guys, my pan is ready. Yes, I'll add just small amount of cooking oil, very small. Yes, small amount of cooking oil. Then now I'll come in with my bread. Another thing here, there are those people who like their bread soaked into this mixture, but for me, I just dip the mixture. I don't like it soaked. So what I'll do, I'll just dip the way you see. I just dip and I remove. I don't like soak it. So this is how I'm going to do it. As long as everything touches the mixer, and that is it. And also, another thing, lower your heat. Don't cook on a very high heat. So just lower your heat. Lower your heat as you continue to cook. So this is what I'm doing. Let my mixture cook, my French toast cook, then we shall catch up. So guys, the first side is ready, so we can change. Oh, that has overheated, but it's okay. You can change the other side. Yes. So guys, this is how it looks. Apparently, this is how it looks. Mostly the darker side is because of cinnamon, but it looks so great. I love it. So let's do it for all other bread, and then I show you the outcome. Yes, I'm done with everything, guys. This is how it happened. And so guys, let me arrange them here so that you'll be able to see how it came out. Yes, this is how our French toast came out, and I'm really in love with it. They look so beautiful, so yummy, and so delicious. Yes guys, this is how it is. I have other pieces remaining here. So guys, I'm so grateful for the love and for the support. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love the support that you are showing to my channel, and I'm really grateful. I appreciate everything, and I don't take it for granted. So guys, let me enjoy my breakfast, and I'll catch up later with you guys.